friends, today again I am going to teach you some designer box. Again it is a origami designer box where you don't need scissor, fevicol, scale, pencil, anything. Again I will say in origami the tools are required, your 10 fingers, that's all. Okay, so let us start this designer box. It is very pretty designer box which can be multi-purpose. You can keep on your study table, or you can give someone to keep chocolates in this. So how to make this? In origami, as you know, we need a square piece of paper. A square means all the four sides should be equal and all the four angles also should be equal, 90 degrees. So we need a square piece of paper, and it depends. If you want to make a big box, you take bigger square. This is a craft paper I have taken. Okay, A4 size craft paper I have taken, that is a rectangle which I have cut in a square. So first what I have to do, I will fold the paper inside. This is called belly fold. In plus sign we will fold the paper inside. Both sides I will fold the paper. So in plus sign we will fold the paper. This big square further I will divide into 4 small square, and I will bring all the 4 corners inside. All the 4 corners I will bring inside. Slowly and quickly I will show you how to make this, and it is very easy to make. All the 4 corners we must bring inside, and after bringing all the 4 corners inside, we will just reverse the paper. We will turn the paper. Again we will give same plus sign folding. Inside we will fold plus sign folding. Again after giving again plus sign folding, again we will bring all the four corners inside. One more time, all the 4 corners inside. All the 4 corners we must bring inside. Okay. And after bringing all the 4 corners inside, again we will turn the face of this paper. Again we will, okay, before turning, what we will do, this all triangles we must fold towards the straight line. All the triangles we must fold half towards the straight line. All the 4 corners, all the 4 triangles we will fold half. Like this we will fold half. Then we will change the side. Now we have 4 squares here. This 4 squares again we will fold towards the corner half. All the 4 squares we will fold towards the corner half. All the 4 squares we will fold towards the corners half, upside. If we fold inside, it will become a photo frame. But we are not making a photo frame. Now what we have to do, this triangle, we will do pleat folding. Just small pleats we will make in this corner. Pleat folding means front side, reverse side. You have to do the pleat folding. Up, down. You have to fold front side, back side, that is called pleat folding. So all the 4 triangle will do the small pleats we must give. We will give a small pleats. That is making a design for the box. And after completing all the 4, see, I made pleat folding. And now what I will do, I will put my finger in the pocket and I just squeeze it. One by one I will put my finger in the pocket of these triangles and I squeeze it. And gradually it will take a shape of the box. I'll put my finger and squeeze it. See. And now this is our designer box is ready. This is very simple, very easy. If you want to give chocolates or any gift item to someone, quickly you can make. And the beauty, again I will say the same, that no fevicol, no pencil, no rubber, no sharpener, nothing. Even you can make with this old calendar paper. For making this box, we need little thick paper. Thank you for watching me.